Hey guys, this is Oscar over at Nikkyo Cars here in Japan. Today we got something really special for you. So if you've got some last minute Christmas shopping to do, or if you're just looking to start the new year with a new car, we've got two of the best cars on market right now. This is a 2007 Toyota Harrier, and this is a 2007 Honda CRV. Both are great vehicles, so today we're going to take a look at both of them together, and we hope that you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, so first off we've got the Harrier right here. So from my perspective, this car is a little bit more towards the side of luxury. Well, now what does that mean? I think everything in this car seems to fit a little bit better together. For example, the grille just seems to go seamlessly with the hood right there. Same here with you've got the fog lights right here that just seem to kind of fit into the bumper. So, it's got a bit of more of a classy look, if you will, from my perspective, of course. The logo is also not your traditional Toyota logo. They changed it for this one. So, all in all, on this vehicle, I believe it leans more towards the side of luxury. All right, so now we've got the Honda CRV. So, this vehicle, although again a very good vehicle, it does have a more aggressive look, if you will. You see the bumper kind of sticks out. You can tell that it's not aftermarket, but it almost appears to be, if you will. So it's got more of an aggressive look. Same grille, you've got two pieces instead of just one going across like we did in the other vehicle. The headlights are a little bit more slick. So it just seems to be more aggressive, like more in your face, if you will. So it is a good vehicle, and I also like it, of course. You got the fog lights right there. You've got this little extra details here on the bumpers. So all in all, again, a little bit more aggressive than the other vehicle. Okay, so with the Toyota Harrier, first thing, you've got the original Toyota wheels. These are 18-inch alloy wheels. These come stock from the factory. You've got this is the blinker, or your turning signal, if you will, on the side as well. And then it comes with this nice little trim across the whole side of the body. So that is the Toyota Harrier for you. Okay, so now we're looking at the Honda CRV. First thing first here, the wheels. These are aftermarket 19-inch alloy wheels, but originally this vehicle comes with 18-inch out of the factory. So these are aftermarket. Second thing to mention here, if you recall on the Harrier we had the turning signals that were stick to the body, but here on the CRV you've got here on the mirrors themselves. And another little detail here, you've got this little design put in here. So again, sticking with this is a bit more aggressive look than the Harrier. Alright guys, so now we're taking a look at the back of the Toyota Harrier. First thing to notice here, you've got the spoiler, which comes straight from the factory, just like that. Also, sticking with the theme of luxury in this vehicle, you've got the clear tail lights, or clear backlights, if you will. Also, it does come equipped with of course the back camera there. And the cool thing about it though, and the thing that sticks out the most to me, is the design. You see the reflectors that are in the bumper. They seamlessly go into the design of the back bumper. So again, I think it leans more towards the side of luxury than anything else. Alright guys, so now we're looking at the back of the Honda CRV. First thing to notice, no spoiler on this one, so just like that. But the cool thing on this one is the stoplights. If you can see, they start about halfway point of the vehicle, and it goes all the way to the top. So that's pretty cool. Also comes equipped with the back camera, of course. But the best and coolest part of this car is the bumper. Just like the front bumper, if you notice, it has this aggressive, mean look to it. It sticks out. Also, it's got the reflectors, but it still stays with the aggressive part of it. All right, so now we are inside the Toyota Harrier. You'll notice here you've got the wooden trim. You've got all your controllers here, AC, etc. So we're gonna take it out for a little drive around the yard, so you guys can get a feel for it. Hopefully you guys like it. And here we go. So off the line there, right there, it feels really good. We're driving on uneven terrain, so it's perfect for testing a vehicle like this. So we're picking up a little speed, about 30 kilometers. You can see the turning right there. Not too bad, if you ask me. Feels really soft. Suspension feels really soft. So here we're gonna give it a little gas and see what you guys think. So we're going up to almost 60, and then we got the braking right there. Not bad at all, as you guys can feel right there. I think it feels really, really soft. I really enjoy the driving and the feeling of this car. You know, suspension is really good. Turning ratio is also really good. So I really like it. Really nice car. All right, so now we're inside the Honda CR-V. You'll notice no trims, nothing like that. So it's a little bit more functional, a little bit more minimalist. You still got your controllers right here. It's a little bit more functional, definitely not as much luxury. So, but let's give it a test drive, see what it feels like. So here we go. So off the line, it responds okay. Steering is definitely a bit harder. Suspension does feel a little bit more stiff, if you ask me, but not too bad. So let's give it a good test here. So let's see how it goes. So we're gonna stop completely and let's punch it. So response time, I'd give it to the Harrier. Brakes, it brakes okay. The steering is the biggest thing. It's just a lot harder than the Harrier. Suspension is also a little bit more stiff, so you do feel the bumps a little bit more. It's not a bad vehicle by any means, but if I had to choose personally, I would choose the Harrier. Okay, so now we're looking at the technical aspect of this vehicle, right? So we've got, this is a Toyota engine by design, VVTi, a 16-valve 2.4 engine. The weight of the car is 1,600 kilograms. And in terms of fuel efficiency, you get 11 kilometers to the liter. So all in all, it is actually fairly efficient for how big the engine is. All right, so now we're taking a look at the Honda CR-V engine. This is also a 2.4 engine, but this is a VTEC engine designed by Honda. So it's a pretty good engine, actually. In terms of the total weight of the car, this car weighs 1,530 kilograms. So it's a little bit lighter than the Harrier. And in terms of fuel efficiency, you've got 11.6 kilometers to the liter. So 11.6 per liter in terms of fuel efficiency. So this one is a little bit lighter, a little bit more fuel efficient, but in terms of power, again, I would give it to the Harrier. All right, so now we are doing a side-by-side comparison of the cargo space of these two vehicles. So first off, you've got the Toyota Harrier on this side. In terms of space, as you can see, it is quite spacious. You fold the seats forward and you get a completely flat surface. So, you know, it's quite spacious. Second thing, you've got this right here. So, you know, whatever you're carrying it, you can just protect it from the sun. So that's very good. One thing though, you cannot put anything on top of this because it is just a cover. It doesn't support any extra weight. Okay, so that's the Harrier. Then we have the CR-V. Now in terms of space, it is about the same. You can fold the seats forward and then you end up with, again, a flat surface to the floor of the vehicle. So, you know, it carries about the same. It also comes equipped with a cover. The difference though with this cover is that you can actually put some extra stuff in this. On this, it carries up to 10 kilograms. So that's very functional right there. But the biggest difference between these two vehicles, and the most important, I would say, is the height. Now, what does that mean? You can see, as I stand in between them, you can see that this one is sitting a lot lower. Now, why would that matter, you ask? You know, if you are out and you're carrying a bunch of stuff, you've got bags in one hand, bags on the other, I don't know, taking your dog for a walk, whatever. You know, it is a lot more comfortable to lift it up to this point and just, put it here. But if you had this vehicle, then you actually have to lift it up quite a bit higher to be able to put it in. So, all in all, I would give points to the CRV for functionality and comfort in this area. Alright, so we've tested both vehicles. We've drove them around, we've looked at the inside, we've seen everything there is to see. And so, my opinion, in terms of functionality, the CRV. It is, in terms of, because of the height, it is a little bit more fuel efficient. It does look more aggressive, etc. So in those terms, I would choose the CRV. Now, in terms, if you're looking for something a little bit more luxury, something with a little bit more power that drives a little bit better, then you'd have to go for the Harrier. I mean, both of them have their good points and their bad points. So it really just boils down to what it is that you are looking for. So we hope that this was helpful for you. And if you like this video, please let us know so that we can make more videos like this for you. Thank you.